Hi, this is Jamie with Coastal Business Supplies. Today we are going to go over one of our many sublimation blanks, our beverage insulators, right after this. And we're back. Today we are going to be pressing one of our beverage insulators. We have printed on legal size paper using our SG 400 by Sawgrass. I have already cut out the designs. We're going to be doing front and back. First, we're going to be pressing one of the sides. We're going to tape with our thermal tape. We are using clear thermal tape. We do have this available online. We are going to press with our Hotronix Fusion for 400 degrees, 30 seconds. You can use a silicone sheet or a Teflon sheet. Today I will be using a Teflon sheet. Our pressure is going to be medium. Once we do pull it out of our press, we are going to let it cool for just a few seconds before pressing the other side. Once cooled, we are now going to press to the other side. Again, we are going to tape. Again, cover with our Teflon cover. And press for 400 degrees, 30 seconds, medium pressure as well. Remove. And we're done. That's it. Thank you for watching our video tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.